Today, I'll walk you through how to import data into Airtable, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transfer your data seamlessly so you can manage your projects more effectively. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Airtable page where you want to add the imported data. This is like opening the door to your workspace. You need to be in the right place to begin. Once you're on your desired page, look for the option that says plus add or import. This is your gateway to bringing in new information. Click on that and take a moment to appreciate the options that will appear. It's like browsing a menu at your favorite restaurant. Next, you'll want to choose from different resources. For this tutorial, I'll use a CSV file as an example, so click on 26 More Sources. This will reveal a variety of formats you can import from, ensuring you have flexibility in how you manage your data. Now select Local Files. This option allows you to import data directly from your computer, much like pulling a document from a filing cabinet. After that, click on Browse Files. This will open a window where you can navigate to the specific file you want to upload. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. Once you've located the file in your local folder, click on Upload One File. This is the moment you're officially bringing your data into Airtable. A preview will show up, giving you a chance to review what you're about to import. Finally, click on Import. This step is crucial as it confirms your action and starts the data transfer. After a brief moment, the imported data will appear on your page, ready for you to work with. And there you have it. You've successfully imported data into Airtable. Remember, this process can help streamline your project management and keep your information organized. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.